study about Nazi cult of motherhood. How Hitler had treated women. Hitler's Nazi Germany, equal position was not given for men and women. Men were treated or men were asked to be aggressive, masculine and steel-hearted, while women were asked to be, or women wanted to be good mothers, rearing pure Aryan children. So Hitler had given the girls or the women to be good mothers and to maintain the purity of the race. And in order to, those who give the purity, desirable children or Nazi pure-blooded Aryan children, they were awarded. They had got lot of concessions. They had got the concessions in the film theatres, then shops, and every public places they had given some special concession. But if they disobey, or if they don't keep that racist policy, or if they mingled with the Jewish people or other non-Aryan race, they got severe punishment in Hitler's Nazism. And in that, women were asked to maintain the purity of the race, to rear the children, and women's main job was to give good Nazi values for the children and to maintain the home, look after the children. These all duties were given for women, while men were asked to be aggressive, masculine and steel-hearted and support the Nazism. And women, they had given lot of awards. Suppose the woman, those who give birth to the pure Aryan-blooded child or children, for 4 children he had given, Hitler's policy was crosses were given as the awards. And if they had given produced 4 children, 4 desirable children, that mother used to get bronze awards, bronze cross. And suppose 6 good Aryan race or good children or pure-blooded Aryan children were produced by a mother, 6 children are produced, then she used to get the silver medal. And suppose if a mother who produced 8 children, then she used to get gold cross. Like that way, awards were kept for the woman. And Hitler wanted to produce, Hitler asked the woman to produce more and more children because he wanted more population in Germany. In order to support his Nazi views, in order to conquer the other territories, he wanted more population. So he asked that his policy was to keep the mothers produce more children, and the children should be pure-blooded Aryan race. They were asked to hate the Jews, hate the Polish people, hate the gypsies, etc. Another thing that Hitler also wanted, that suppose any woman, she had mingled with a non-Aryan or a non-Nazi, then she got severe punishment. Suppose such mothers were asked to shave their head, then shave the head, then blacken the faces, and she was asked to parade in the town or in the cities, and a placard hanging in her neck which shows that I have cheated my nation. Like that placard she has to carry, and she was asked to parade in all around the town. So this type of punishment, severe punishment, was given for such mothers or such girls. And even not only this, their family, her husband, her entire family used to get the punishment. So this was a severe punishment policy Hitler followed for the woman who engaged relationship, who had a relationship with other non-Aryan race. So this all about shows that how Hitler had given importance for motherhood. And he said that in his country, mother is the most important person, but the mother should have to maintain relationship only with the Aryan race, and also to produce pure Aryan Aryan children. So such mothers used to get lot of respect in Nazism, in Nazi Germany. This shows that how Hitler had this, or we can say that the Nazi cult of motherhood.